therefore I can go program AI models. It doesn't really work like that. There's actually like a container that's around the job. So there's not a lot of role plasticity. You would see the same thing also historically with, telephone operators. Like once that technology is in place, there's not really a need for that function in general. Now, I like to think about the opposite example as the software engineer. And the irony is that most of software engineering from 30 years ago has already been automated. It used to be that you'd have to set up like a server rack. You'd have to build your own entire code base in a very deep way in C or COBOL or something like that. You'd have to deploy it on your own. You'd have to manage the server and get connected to the internet, and you'd have to figure out all these hardware limitations. Even if you think back further, you'd have to manage things like memory using punch cards. So the role of software engineering used to be like managing punch cards or setting up hardware and debugging it. Like the word debug comes from like removing bugs from the vacuum tubes that would crawl into the computer that would short circuit things or prevent it from working. But now if you talk to software engineers, they're like, great, I have automated like a lot of my compute systems. I'm able to deploy on AWS in the cloud. 90-something% of the old software engineering role was taken care of. But now software engineers are just in demand, if not more than ever before. Now, why is that? And